Dear viewers, Assalamu alaikum. This is Kaji Arif, lecturer in English of Udayanmaz Degree College, Shagata Gaibandha. Welcome everyone to my online class. Dear student, how are you? Hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also well. And today's lesson is specially for my beloved student of ACC level. Okay, dear students, today I am going to discuss an important chapter of your syllabus, that is sentence connector. The question number 10. Okay, you know sentence connector. And before starting the discussion, I have to inform you that what is sentence connector. Look at the board. Sentence connectors are linking words that are used between two separate ideas or sentences. Okay, and actually you know that in your exam or in your question paper there will be a passage. Okay, and in that passage you have to face 10 gaps. 10 gaps will be given in the question paper, and you have to use the sentence connector in those gaps. Okay, and today I will teach you the easiest method how can we solve the question in connector. Let's start. Use of sentence connector. To show addition, we can use in that gap besides, again, also, further, firstly, secondly, thirdly, or moreover. Okay, next, to compare. Okay, to compare any things between two person, two things, two places, we can use likewise, similarly, or both, and. The student, look next, to give example. Okay, to give example we can use, for example, for instance, such as. Next, to show contrast, we can use what? We can use though, but, on the other hand, still, or yet. You know, if the sentence gives the opposite meaning, you can use though or but. In complex sentence, you should use though, and in compound sentence, you should use but. Okay. Next, to indicate result, what can we use? In that type of sentence, we can use because, since, or as, if or unless, as a result, or so. Actually, if the sentence is complex sentence, then you can use because to show the result, to indicate the result. If the sentence is complex, you can use since or as. Okay, and if it is conditional sentence, you know, you can use if or unless. Okay, and if the sentence is simple, you can use as a result, so. Next, to show time. If the sentence indicates time, you can use as soon as, when, while, until, before or after, and now. Next, to give emphasis. Okay, you can use actually, indeed, not only but also, luckily or unluckily. Okay, and this type of connectors you can use to give emphasis. Last one, to conclude. Okay, when we are going to conclude the sentence, actually at the end of the passage we can use therefore, however, so, or thus. The student, hope this class is clear to you, and no more today. See you in the next class. Thank you all.